The ultimate guide to overnight oats, a quick and nutritious breakfast for busy professionals. Good mornings start the night before. Are your mornings rushed and chaotic, or just too busy to worry about breakfast? Let me introduce you to overnight oats, a life-changing breakfast that's quick, customizable, and packed with nutrients. Stay tuned to learn how to prepare them and wake up stress-free. Overnight oats are your ultimate breakfast solution. By prepping them the night before, you minimize morning hassles while enjoying a delicious, ready-to-go meal. With endless options to customize, they're nutritious, versatile, and suited to any lifestyle. Plus, they take just minutes to make. Packed with whole grains, fiber, and protein, oats fuel your morning while keeping you full longer. You'll feel energized and focused for those long workdays. Whether you crave sweet or nutty flavors, there's a combination perfect for you. Grab your base. Ingredients: start with 1/2 cup of rolled oats and mix it with 1/2, 3/4 cup of milk, dairy or plant-based. A splash of yogurt can make it creamier. Stir everything in a jar or container. Choose your sweetener. Add 2 teaspoons of honey, maple syrup, or a sugar-free sweetener to taste. Mix well and refrigerate. Once combined, seal the jar and pop it in the fridge. The oats will absorb the liquid overnight, softening into the perfect creamy texture. That's it, your base is ready. Now let's add the fun toppings. One of the best parts of overnight oats is how customizable they are. Try these easy and delicious variations to suit your taste. Mix in 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder for a rich, chocolatey flavor. Add a handful of sliced almonds and drizzle almond butter on top. Sprinkle with dark chocolate chips for an indulgent treat that's still healthy. Layer fresh or frozen berries, blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries into your oats. Add a teaspoon of chia seeds to boost omega-3s and fiber. Top with shredded coconut for a fruity, tropical vibe. Cube a sweet apple like Honeycrisp or Fuji and toss it with cinnamon. Layer it onto your oats and sprinkle crushed walnuts or pecans for crunch. Add a drizzle of maple syrup if you want extra sweetness. Make multiple servings at once. Overnight oats last up to 5 days in the fridge, making them the perfect grab-and-go breakfast. Just prepare a few jars on Sunday night and your mornings are set for the week. Keep toppings fresh by adding them just before serving. Store washed fruits or nuts in separate containers for quick assembly. Keep experimenting with new flavors to avoid routine fatigue. Play with your texture. Adjust milk for creamier oats or a thicker bite. Spice things up with vanilla extract, nutmeg, or even protein powder for an added boost. The best part? No cooking is required, just grab a spoon and dig in. It's time to take control of your breakfast routine. With overnight oats, you'll never skip the most important meal of the day. Try one of these easy recipes tonight and wake up to a nutritious, delicious breakfast tomorrow. Hit the like button, subscribe for more meal prep tips, and share your favorite toppings in the comments.